Scent of the Rose by Geoffrey Chaucer. Characters are narrator, dreamer, lover, represents every human lover, Cupid, god of love, rules over lovers, inspires desire, controls love. The rose, symbol of the beloved, represents ideal love and beauty. Jealousy, protect the rose, represents suspicion and possessiveness. False semblant means false appearance, symbol of hypocrisy and deception. Wicked tongue represents slander, evil speech, gossip. And Allegorical characters. The poem is full of personified abstractions. Examples include love, beauty, reason, jealousy, danger, shame, courtesy, idleness, false appearance, evil tongue. These characters represent human emotion and moral qualities. Themes are courtly love. The central theme, love, is presented as a noble service performed by the lover for his lady. Love as desire. Love is shown as both beautiful, painful. It brings happiness and suffering together. Allegory. Almost every character symbolizes an abstract quality. The poem teaches through symbols rather than realistic events. Human psychology. The poem examines desire, fear, jealousy, hope, frustration, satire, especially in fragment B and C. It attacks clergy, society, false morality, religious corruption, appearance versus reality. Many people pretend to be virtuous while hiding selfish motives. Religious hypocrisy, false religious leaders misuse religion for personal gain. Moral corruption. The poem exposes greed, dishonesty, and hypocrisy in medieval society. Quest. The search for the rose symbolized humanity's search for love and fulfillment. Symbols are rose, love, beauty, woman, desire, garden, paradise, courtly society, word of love, dream, spiritual journey, human imagination, fortress, warriors in love, emotional obstacles, Cupid's arrows, power of love, emotional surrender. Literary devices are allegory, dream vision, personification, symbolism, satire, irony, dialogue, medieval romance, and courtly love convention. Style elegant, symbolic, philosophical, romantic, didactic, and satirical, descriptive, and narrative. Language Middle English, translation from Old French, close to the original text, rich poetic vocabulary. Meter written in octosyllabic iambic tetrameter couplets, features 8 syllables per line, 4 iambic feet, rhyming couplets. Importance. One of Chaucer's earliest works, introduced French literary traditions into English literature, helped Chaucer master allegory, symbolism, and dream vision, influenced his later masterpieces, especially the Canterbury Tales and Trellis and Cassidy, a landmark in the development of Middle English poetry. Critical appreciation, strength, rich symbolism, beautiful descriptions, strong allegory, excellent psychological insight, memorable personification, effective satire. Limitations are incomplete translation, authorship remain uncertain, some sections differ noticeably in style and dialect. Some important fact for the exam. Original French work, Les Romans de la Roche. Original authors Guillaume de Loris and Jean de Meun. English translator Geoffrey Chaucer. Fragment A certainly, fragment C possibly. Genre allegorical, dream vision. Form translation, language Middle English, words from octosyllabic iambic tetrameter couplet, main symbol the rose, and the central theme courtly love. Thanks for watching.